One of my favorite 16-bit racing games is Rock and Roll Racing, and this is a game that really holds up today. Throughout the game you can upgrade your vehicles and your weapons, and the tracks are set in different environments from futuristic cities to alien planets, and each track has its own challenges and obstacles, and it comes with a really standout soundtrack. The controls are really tight and intuitive, which is one of the reasons why it still holds up, and you can drift around corners and perform jumps, and there's even shortcuts that you can take as well. Just one of the best racing games, and I wish they'd make a remake of this.
Let the carnage begin!